The rapid response of the Indian scientific community against the menace of COVID-19 viral disease, which spread from Wuhan, China in 2019 to every corner of the globe, is without parallel in historical terms. But so has been the challenge, given the devastating loss of life in India and around the world, that nothing short of this effort is required. In fact, since the second COVID wave hit our country in April 2021, the resolve to fight this disease has been intensified by the government and the private sector. India has over 130 crore people, and in the last 4 months we have vaccinated over 20 crores of our citizens, or over 200 million, a count increasing each passing day. This is a huge achievement, but given India's population, the Government of India has resolved to increase the rate of vaccinations with a target of vaccinating most of the country by the end of 2021. In this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we take a close look at the new COVID-19 vaccines which have been approved, like the Russian Sputnik vaccine and the indigenous ZyCoV-D COVID-19 vaccine, which is nearing its phase 3 trials and likely to go into production in June 2021. We also look at the building blocks of these vaccines and how they differ from Covaxin and Covishield. We bring you details of the 2 recent emergency approvals by the Drugs Controller General of India, DRDO's anti-COVID oral drug 2DG, and Zydus Cadilla's Virafin, which is given as a single-dose injection for treating moderate COVID-19 infection in adults.